nighty-night.
What? Shiver me, Cheddars! What are you doing here?
This bed is so cozy.
And I love your armchair, Sammy. You don't mind, do you?
Guys, look! He's got music too! And I was just about to have a rest! Oh, poor me.
Sammy, where are you going?
To draw a layout for your own dwelling. I can't take this anymore. There, I finally finished it, Sue. All we need to do now is to build it.
Whoa! Awesome, Sammy! Did you master a new magic trick?
Not exactly. See? There are clearly a few parts missing.
Right, but where could they be? Ah, thank you!
You're welcome.
It's nice to have more helpers. Now where's the rest?
Alrighty. If I were a missing piece of a house, where would I be? Aha! That's a clue. I hope it's not a secret government of lizard slimes trying to steal our craft or something. Huh? Holy cannoli! Do you see that too, guys? They're dancing. It's so sad, but so beautiful.
Your dance was amazing, guys, but we need this part for the house. There we go! And we're done with the base!
These are for you.
Make way! Make way for the biggest fan! Please teach me how to dance like that. Pretty please. Okay, do you know a pirouette? A pirouette? So how am I doing? I'm trying to move smoothly like you told me. Very well. Now repeat after me. Yay! Uh-huh. I see. Let me just do this. That's harder than I thought.
Wow! Sammy, this looks like just what we need.
I guess if you want to become a pro, you have to be prepared to take a few bumps.
Just don't overdo it. So, what do we have here? Oh, wow. Hello there.
What? There were 2 of them this whole time?
Yeah, looks like you have 2 dance teachers now. There's something else too. What a cozy little bed.
And this is for you! For teaching me how to dance so well. Oh no, don't cry. Code red. Sue, I repeat, code red.
Hang in there. You're in good hands. I promise.
Life doesn't teach her anything. Huh? Ah!
Sammy, if you keep eating sweets, the pimples will just keep coming.
Nonsense. I'm slime. I'm like 99% sweets. Where's my cocoa?
Your cocoa goes great with our craft. Look at that! And now we'll add a handle to the mug.
Sue, look! I can see everything. Not anymore.
Oh, Sammy.
Move over. Barista Sam is here to make the coolest latte art in the world. Ta-da! Wow, you did great. But I want to help too.
Thank you so much. Here we go. And a little soft rug.
Ah! Perfect bedroom for a perfect beauty sleep. Huh? What's that sound? Gotta check what it is. Hey! What are you doing here, buddy? Building your own little house? It looks nice. Oops, I'm so sorry.
Oh no.
Hey, come back. We're already building you a room, too. Let's see what we've got here to do that. A yellow bed? Not bad.
Oh, and who's the guy?
He is so cute. He looks just like you.
Tung Tung.
What's going on here? I don't get it.
Ha! I figured it out, Sue. They're going to compete for the title of the better tongue. Oh no! Buddy, can you hear me? Just breathe, okay?
Oh, guys. Guys, you are all such good actors.
Thanks, Sue. Oh, hey, wait up. I've been meaning to tell you, tongue, tongue, tongue.
These are the most wonderful words that anyone has ever said to me. Oh, what a beautiful couple. I have something for you guys. This is something to remember these good times.
Sammy, this is so sweet of you. Great, the second floor is ready. Which room should we do next? Sammy?
I'm thinking, this is so hard. Oh, what are we gonna... Hey, Sue, I think I found something.
Interesting. Let's have a look, shall we?
Oh, come on! I'm dying to see what's inside. Go, Susie!
Wowza! That has to be something cool. Well, of course, it's a bathtub.
So it means that we are going to deal with the bathroom next? Sounds like a plan.
Ooh, I could use a bath right now, but something is missing.
I think I know what you're talking about.
And I managed to do this.
Wow, Sammy, did I inspire you? I like the way you're thinking, pal.
This really is a nice touch, Sammy. Let's see how it all will look here.
Looks perfectly good to me.
Woohoo! It's even better. It's the best bathroom ever.
I'm glad you liked it. Ooh, I'm starving. Gonna go grab something. Hello? It's lunchtime. Can anybody hear me? The slime is hungry.
Sorry, Sammy, but you'll have to wait. The kitchen's not ready yet.
How much longer do I have to wait? I'm starving, really? Huh? It's your cue, Sue.
Oh, great! Let's get to work. We'll be setting up the kitchen. Oh!
Hello? Are you here to help us with the house? Huh? What is this? A puzzle? This thing looks quite strange to me. Good luck fixing it, Sue.
Oh, come on! I can do it in no time.
Wait, he still needs a stylish hairdo?
Like this one?
You're reading my mind!
And we shouldn't forget about his eyebrows and eyelashes, too. That's much better.
I'm so hungry. Is there anything else inside? Arg! There's gotta be at least something. A candy or a box? Oh, my feta, why would I need a box?
It's not a box. It's a fridge, Sammy. But how are we supposed to open it if it doesn't have a handle?
Here's its handle, Susie.
Oh, thanks.
And I really like that the fridge looks like me.
Oh, it turned out so cute. Okay, now the fridge is ready to use. And here's some more kitchen furniture. All right, it already looks great, but it's still missing a few things.
Come on, there has to be some food here. I guess I'm gonna have to stay hungry forever.
Be patient. In order to be able to eat, we also need a table and a few chairs.
Shiver me, Chatters, I can't hold it any longer.
Whoa, what is happening?
Hold on tight, everybody. Phew. Finally, it's all over.
Sue, look. This thing fell down from all that rumbling.
Well, this is just what we need.
That cake looks yummy.
No, my cake! Come to me, my precious. That was the best cake I've ever had in my entire life. I wish I could watch a movie now. Ouch! What on earth was that? Hey, what's happening?
A little good old banana peel prank.
Hey, stop throwing things around.
Hey!
Oh, so you just wanted to help us with the crafting? Let's see what we have here. What is this? Looks kinda strange, right?
A puzzle, huh? Maybe it's a picture? Or a toy?
What? No way! Think harder.
Okay, I give up.
It's an armchair.
What? Are you serious? Let me see.
Beware and behold.
Wow! I really like how this armchair looks.
Just promise, no more banana peels in the house.
Huh? Okay.
And last but not least, the TV goes right here.
Wow, you guys, this house is so cute.
Oh yeah, me like it.
I like our new little house too. Let's take a closer look at it together.
Oh, I can't decide what I like more. The kitchen or the cake.
Did you hear that, Sue? Looks like we did great.
And that's it for today, friends. Like and subscribe for more fun craft videos.
We're here at King Waldo's Ice Spectacular, Your Highness.
Oh, look at that!
Princess Dulcet must have made that. And look what King Colossal made. A spaceship.
I don't think I can sculpt anything as good as these.
Welcome! I'm so pleased to see you, Princess. Princess.
I'm Princess Billy, and we're honored and a bit surprised to be in your contest, King Waldo.
The contest, yes! It's going most spectacularly. At least I think it is. I'm really not sure.
So how does the contest work? We just carve an ice sculpture?
Yes, that sounds about right. Whoever makes the best sculpture wins a spectacular prize.
And that will be us. We're gonna win this contest. Well, I wish you the best of luck. And where's our block of ice to sculpt?
Oh, I knew I forgot something. Let's see. This'll do nicely.
Wow!
Isn't that spectacular? And watch this!
That looks like so much fun.
All right, get to work. Remember, it has to be a sculpture of us. And make sure we're beautiful.
That's what this contest is all about. Fun! Now, where did I put my cane? I'll find it sooner or later. Well, I'll let you get to it. Here, Caney, come to King Waldo.
That King Waldo. He always has a smile on his face, even when his cane is missing.
That's it! Let's turn the waterfall into a sculpture of the king's smiling face.
That's a great idea, Your Highness. I can use my horn to sculpt. And I can use my sword. Whoa! What just happened?
We iced you. That's what happened. My turn. Hey! Let us out of here! Not until the contest is over. And we win. And what's the best way to win a contest? To not have any competition. Bye-bye, you babies.
This is all Sir Kitty Cat's fault. First he signs you up for this contest, and then he doesn't even come. And now, look where we are.
We sure could use his help getting out of this ice. Did you say help, Your Highness? Shasha, it's so good to see you. Could you break this ice for us? Oh, now where'd that hammer go? Never mind the hammer, Zsa-Zsa. That magnifying glass will work. But, Princess, I can already see where you are.
No, Zsa Zsa. What Princess Billy means is if you float the magnifying glass above us, it will increase the power of the sun and...
Give you a suntan!
or melt the ice.
Or melt the ice. Perfect! Now will you fetch Sir Kitty Cat for us? In a flash! Oops! I forgot to get off at the traffic circle.
Zaza! What are you doing here?
Princess Billy sent me to get the cat. Where is he?
Where else? Sleeping inside. I'm soaked! Princess, are you all right?
We're okay, but we could use a hand getting out of this ice.
A hand or a claw?
Thanks, Sir Kitty Cat.
It feels good to move.
Let's just go home and forget about the contest. You didn't want to do it anyway.
It's true. I didn't plan on being in this contest. But now that we are, let's do our best.
Thank you, Princess. And because I got you into this, you can count on these claws to help.
Are you done yet? Not bad, but it's missing personality. That's better. Yeah, cool. Marie, look. Well, it might not look like the king, but I think he'll like it.
And look, the tongue is still a slide.
You call that a sculpture? It looks like a baby made that. In its diaper.
Okay, time is up. Or that's what my judges tell me, at least. May the most spectacular kingdom win. Let's see what King Colossal made for us. Oh. What about Princess Dulcet? Huh? Now the twin princesses. Yes, quite good, but mean. And finally, Princess Billy. A smiling slide. How spectacular! I hereby declare... Huh? The smiling slide? Where did it go?
What smiling slide?
Well, it appears the twin princess's sculpture is the only one in the contest this year. So I declare it the most spectacular...
We won!
Oh.
Oh, look what we did find. Your cane. We won! Well, at least we did our best.
And now for the winners, a spectacular prize! Isn't that spectacular?
I'm so glad we didn't win.
Me too. But I am glad that we entered. Thank you, Sir Kitty Cat.
Thank you, Princess. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. All right, I'll make the muffins on 3 conditions. What? Anything. First, you ask me before you enter me in a contest next time. Second, you help me make the muffins today. And third, you let Truman be our taste tester.
Huh? All right.